Hello everyone, this is CA Rekha Karthik and you are watching this on our YouTube channel CSNSR. Today we will be discussing on a very interesting topic on gold investment. So this video will certainly help you to know the different methods of investing in gold apart from physical gold. And particularly we will be discussing on face off between SGB, that is sovereign gold bonds, and gold mutual funds. So आप सबको तो पता है कि इंडिया को सोने की चिड़िया कहा जाता है और इंडिया में लोगों को गोल्ड इन्वेस्टमेंट का बहुत शौक भी है एंड वी इन्वेस्ट इन गोल्ड रेगुलरली। लेकिन क्या होता है, वी ऑफन इन्वेस्ट ओनली इन फिजिकल फॉर्म ऑफ गोल्ड। वी डोंट सी दी ऑप्शंस ऑफ होल्डिंग गोल्ड इन एनी अदर फॉर्म। So let's first see the gold chart, मतलब this chart which says the return on gold for last 10 years. So from 2010 to 2020 के बीच में if we see the increase in the gold prices is very high, and whoever has made the investment in gold are really in a profitable zone. So gold prices have increased almost 2.3 times, which is very decent return. And if you look from this chart, the long term investors are always in a profitable position. Short term में market fluctuations रहता है, लेकिन long term में we always end up having profits in the gold investment. तो मेरा ये कहना है कि जो लोग गोल्ड में इन्वेस्टमेंट करना चाहते हैं तो सिस्टमेटिकली अपने पोर्टफोलियो को प्लान करें और इन्वेस्ट इन गोल्ड टू मेक योर पोजीशंस इवन बेटर। गोल्ड इज समथिंग जिसमें हमको कभी नुकसान नहीं होगा। इन लॉन्ग टर्म वी विल डेफिनेटली एंड अप हैविंग ए डिसेंट प्रॉफिट। सो नेक्स्ट इज इंडिया में मोस्टली ऐसे टोल्ड कि फिजिकल फॉर्म में ही हम गोल्ड को रखना प्रेफर करते हैं। सो द फर्स्ट थिंग हियर इज कि फिजिकल फॉर्म में रखने से इट इज फॉर अवर सेंटिमेंट्स एंड वी थिंक इट एड्स टू अवर प्रेस्टीज एंड स्टेटस इन द सोसाइटी। एंड द डिसएडवांटेज इज ऑल्सो कि हम खुद ही चोरों को दावत दे रहे हैं कि अपने घर में आ जाए। सो देयर आर ऑलवेज प्रोस एंड कॉन्स इन एवरी इन्वेस्टमेंट। So first let's see the advantages. So ascent of gold prices have always increased much higher than the inflation rates, and the probably the biggest benefit in gold investment is portfolio diversification. So it safeguards you against a wealth wipeout. So in case of extraordinary situations, when there is market crash or economic depression, then in that case you will definitely have a safer side by investing in gold. एंड द थर्ड इज द सिंप्लिसिटी। इसमें इन्वेस्टमेंट करने के लिए हमें कोई बहुत ज्यादा एनालिसिस की जरूरत नहीं होती है। वी कैन ऑलवेज इन्वेस्ट इन गोल्ड बाय हैविंग ए लिटिल अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ द इन्वेस्टमेंट। There are certain challenges also in holding physical gold. So first is the making charges and GST which we paid on physical form of gold is much higher. So suppose अगर हम 1 लाख की परचेज करते हैं गोल्ड में, फिजिकल गोल्ड में, we end up paying almost 10 to 20% in making charge and GST, which is quite a huge amount. And next is risk. So mostly we prefer to hold gold in our home only, which is very risky. एंड अगर हम उसको बैंक लॉकर में अगर हम रखें, इवन इन दैट केस द स्टोरेज कॉस्ट जो है वो बहुत ज्यादा होता है फॉर लॉकर रेंट। मिनिमम 2 to 3,000 वी पे फॉर लॉकर रेंट, डिपेंडिंग ऑन द स्टोरेज साइज इट इज इवन मोर। And for locker rent we have to open a FD also, for even the liquidity is also under a crisis. Next is government policy. So as per the Modi's instruction, so जो है हम लोग हाउस होल्ड में वी कैन नॉट होल्ड ए फिजिकल गोल्ड मोर देन ए सर्टेन अमाउंट विच इज प्रिस्क्राइब्ड बाय द गवर्नमेंट। सो इफ वी होल्ड गोल्ड इन ए मोर अमाउंट और इन दैट केस तो हमें पेनल्टी of investment in gold. So we can invest in golds under the gold ETF, gold mutual fund, digital gold, and sovereign gold bonds. So these are the few investment options in gold. So अगर हम देखें इस वीडियो लेक्चर में we will be discussing more on sovereign gold bonds and gold mutual funds. So sovereign gold bonds are the gold securities denominated in grams of gold. They are issued substitute of holding physical gold, and the investors pay the issue price in cash, and bonds are also redeemed in cash on maturity. And these bonds are issued by RBI on behalf of government of India. और जो भी हम लोगों ने रिस्क डिस्कस किए थे फॉर फिजिकल गोल्ड वो सब यहाँ पे नलिफाई हो जाते हैं। द रिस्क सच एज स्टोरेज कॉस्ट एंड द इमोशनल डिटैचमेंट, द रिस्ट्रिक्शंस ऑन होल्डिंग ऑफ फिजिकल गोल्ड, वो सब यहाँ पे एलिमिनेट हो जाते हैं। सो now there are different points or questions one will be having if they want to invest in SGB So whatever queries you have, you can please mention that in the comment section. And based on my understanding and my thinking process, I will be discussing the few aspects of SGBs. So first is application form. We can get the application form from any bank, any post office, or even from the official website of RBI. And the eligibility is any individual, HUF, universities, charitable institutions, and trust can invest in SGBs, and even the residents who has invested in the bonds, and subsequently the status is changing from resident to non-resident, even they can hold the bonds until the maturity of the bonds. The minimum investment here is 1 gram, and the maximum in case of individuals is 4 kg, and in case of trust is 20 kgs. Also, it comes up with a fixed rate of interest of 2.5%, which is credited in every 6 months, and the last interest is paid along with the paid on maturity along with the principals. The redemption here, the tenure of bond is 8 years, but the investors have the option to redeem the funds after 5 years. So that means the lock-in period 5 years ka hai, and after 5 years, at the option and convenience of investors, we can redeem the bonds at any time, and we can even transfer these bonds. So this is the dates. In this slide, we will see the dates of issue for the 6 months. That is from October to March 2021. So October का तो चलो अभी हो चुका है. So if we see from November onwards, so the date of subscription is 9th November to 13th November, and date of issuance of bond is 18th of November. So अगर आप लोग इसमें invest करना चाहते हैं, then please save these dates. So कुछ लोगों ने मेरा पिछला वीडियो देखा होगा on mutual fund. यदि आप लोगों ने नहीं देखा है, then please watch this video. The link is also given here. In this, you will know about the mutual funds in crisp manner, especially the insight on benefit with awareness before opting for investing in the mutual funds. क्योंकि इस वीडियो में हम लोग जो है म्यूचुअल फंड के बारे में ज्यादा डिस्कशन नहीं करेंगे. वी विल बी डिस्कसिंग मोर ऑन SGBs. So please go through the previous video on mutual funds, so that you will be very clear and you can make a comparison whether you have to invest in mutual fund or in SGB. And also you can segregate your portfolio based on the certain portion you can invest in the mutual fund and certain in SGB and FD. Next is this is the rate gold mutual funds returns. This is as per updated as on October 16, 2020. So if we see the trending mutual funds which invest exclusively on gold, the returns are very good. Over a period of 1 year, we are earning a decent return of 30%, which is very good. And even for a period of 3 to 5 years, the minimum return is 17% and 12%, which is way far off and better from the fixed deposits. अगर आप लोगों को इसमें इन्वेस्ट करना है, then you can please read the comparison of the mutual funds. So now we will discuss the very important aspect of this presentation, that is a face-off between sovereign gold bonds and gold mutual funds. So first is how to avail the facility. SGB, we can get the forms from any bank, post office, or even from the official website of RBI. And for mutual fund, we should have a mutual fund account. In SIP options, the mutual fund is at an advantage from the SGB. In mutual fund, we can opt for SIP options, which is not available in case of SGBs. Buying expenses, as I have discussed in my previous video on mutual fund, we should always be careful in before investing in mutual fund, and we should see the entry and exit load, because it could eat major returns on your investment, which is not in the case of SGB. And in SGB, we get a fixed interest of 2.5%, whereas which is not guaranteed in mutual fund, because mutual fund is always on a fluctuation based on the market scenarios. You can also get loan against the SGB bonds, which is not available in case of mutual fund. The storage risk is not there both in SGB and on gold mutual fund, because both are in digital form. Next, if we see the lock-in tenure, in SGB, we have a lock-in tenure of 5 years, which is not in the case of mutual funds. The purity here in SGB is 99.99%, and in case of mutual fund is 99.5%. Next is exit charges. So as we have discussed already, mutual funds have both entry and exit load, which is not there in case of SGB. From the taxation point of view, whatever the interest we are getting in SGB, it is totally tax-free. There is no taxation here. But in case of mutual fund, we are subject to short-term and long-term taxation. Next is return. This is the very important parameter. So if we see the returns on SGB versus gold mutual fund, based on the market calculations and statistical scenarios, we can see कि SGPs give us a better return than gold mutual funds. सो अगर आप लोग इसमें इन्वेस्ट करना चाहते हैं, इट इज अपॉन यू वेदर यू वांट टू इन्वेस्ट इन एसजीबी और इन गोल्ड म्यूचुअल फंड. आई वुड recommend कि you can invest in SGB gold mutual fund and also in any equity market or FD based on the proportions of your risk. How much risk you can take. If you are a risk taker, you can invest more on gold mutual funds. If not, then you can invest in SGB and be on a safer side. सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. यदि आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो फिर देर किस बात की, प्लीज लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब अवर यूट्यूब चैनल सीए संसार. बी सेफ एंड बी हेल्थी. थैंक यू सो मच.